Alright, so taking a look at Verasity today on the daily time frame, you can see, as I said in yesterday's video, if we did start to come down and close down below this 100-day moving average, we were probably going to start seeing ourselves rolling back down to the next key levels of support. Obviously, a few days ago, we had that big sell-off in the market with the rumours that the BTC ETF, God, I need to stop saying that all the time, the Bitcoin ETF was going to get rejected, and obviously we had a very, very significant rollover in the markets in general. Basically had about a 20 to 30% drop in pretty much all the cryptos across the market, all the altcoins. Bitcoin dropped around 10%, I think. And then since then, you've seen obviously Verasity here, this massive wick back to the upside here, but still selling off a little bit more today. On the hourly time frame, you can see what happened in more granular detail. We were already coming down after, you know, people were kind of disappointed about the roadmap for 2024 for Verasity, in my opinion. I don't think these things matter too much in the long term, but obviously in the short term, people are absolutely obsessed with, you know, the little granular moves that you do see for cryptos. And I do think that Verasity here has suffered from a few blows recently in terms of the confidence in the crypto and also just generally market volatility. You can see that massive wick down to that all-time level of support down here at around under that 0.5% level, and obviously that Fibonacci level, the 0.23 here at 0.5% as well, a big support. Previous level of resistance back here that we flipped into support, but now that we've closed down below that 100-day moving average, it does seem as though we might see some more downside for Verasity. As I said in yesterday's video, we could see ourselves coming back down now towards that 0.5% area and retesting. Considering what we've seen with Veracity's price action here, you know, we're closing down below this 100-day moving average. We are reaching oversold levels again though, so we could see ourselves having a bit of a relief rally soon once we hit a key level of support. But overall, I do think that Verasity here is pretty clearly just, you know, it's basically got that breakout and now it's going back down again and back testing this previous area of resistance as support again. So hopefully what we can see is we'll come down, find a key area of support probably at this Fibonacci level here, and then come back to the upside and start getting a bounce. But overall, I'm not too concerned about Verasity. I do think its time will come in the future. Obviously right now there is quite a lot of chop in the markets for a lot of altcoins, these smaller cap altcoins that haven't started to move yet in a big way. But you can see obviously the demand for Verasity is definitely there, and it can pull off these parabolic moves pretty much whenever it wants. And really, if we come down and find a good level of support here, there's no reason why we couldn't see ourselves having a decent bounce to the upside pretty soon. So